just building the little packs for my Tesla Powerwall. It's not a Tesla Powerwall, it's a solar Powerwall, but there we go. Pure nickel strips, welding onto there. Here we go. This is so powerful, I've had to make the ends of my probes really flat, because my spot welder's quite too powerful for this. So the bigger the end on the battery, the less chance of it welding through in that particular spot. But here we go, I'll show you. Yeah, that's on. And one weld's plenty per cell, I think. Oh fuck, blew that battery up. Bastard.